Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a leaking sunroof on a Ford Explorer. First, let's pinpoint the problem. Begin by checking the drain tubes, often located in the corners of the sunroof frame, for any visible blockages. Next, carefully inspect the rubber seal around the sunroof opening for any tears, cracks, or signs of wear. Finally, look for water stains on your vehicle's headliner, which can indicate the leak's origin. Once you've identified clogged drain tubes, clearing them is straightforward. You can use compressed air, but be gentle to avoid dislodging the tubes. Alternatively, carefully insert a thin, flexible wire, like a weed trimmer line, into the drain opening to dislodge debris. After clearing, pour a small amount of water into the drain to ensure it flows freely out of the vehicle, usually near the wheel wells. If the drain tubes are clear, the sunroof seal might be the culprit. Start by thoroughly cleaning the existing seal and the sunroof frame. For minor cracks or gaps, a specialized automotive silicone sealant can provide a temporary fix. However, if the seal is severely cracked, torn, or hardened, the best solution is to replace it entirely. Ensure the new seal is properly seated for a watertight fit. To prevent future sunroof leaks, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to periodically clean any leaves, dirt, or debris from the sunroof channel and around the seal. Inspect the drain tubes and seals every few months for any signs of wear or blockage. Parking your Ford Explorer in a garage or under a covered area can also significantly reduce exposure to elements that cause leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.